Oh, wow. When you finally take that trip to the mailbox, man. Sheesh. YouTube family. What's good with y'all, man? We are back. And we got some unboxings to do, man. Hey, hopefully all of y'all are feeling good. Y'all in good spirits. Glad to have y'all rocking out with your boy, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Starting off the vid, man. We got a couple of unboxings to go through. And we got a Grail at the end, man. So, hey, don't fast forward. You do not want to miss any of these unboxings because it's all dopeness, man. Trust me. But I appreciate y'all for stopping through. And with that being said, man, if this is y'all first time rocking out with the fam or seeing this guy right here, man, Jay the Sneaker Guy, man, make sure y'all stick around by hitting that subscribe button. We on the road to 100K, man. We approaching 70, man. So for that, I appreciate all the newcomers and everybody that has been rocking out with your boy, man. Like, dang, I gotta tell y'all every video, man, like, hey, ain't no fam like the fam because y'all support is like unmatched, like for real, and that's just no cap. I'm not just saying that just because y'all fam, it's just, that's really the truth, man. So thank y'all for everything that y'all do, man. Drop a comment down below. Let me know that y'all are in good spirits. Y'all are feeling good. And as well, let me know what you like out of all the unboxings that your boy has, man. But without any further ado, man, let's jump right into it. Starting off with my fam over at Soul Premise, man. Let's get it. Yeet! Woo, woo, woo. Bang, man. Hey, shout out to my fam over at Soul Premise. They sent your boy, you see this? This is the big boy, man. They sent me a big package, man. I can't spend too much time talking about each box before I open it because this video will be long. We're gonna open it from this side. So make sure y'all use promo code JayTheSneakerGuy too. It'll save you about 30% off of your entire purchase, man. So opening up the box, what we got? Oh, I see a hint. I see a hint. I see a hint. Oh, we got some blue things in here. We got some. Woo, okay, hold on. Man, we ain't doing all that. We ain't doing all that. Oh, yes, sir. Yeah, oh my goodness. Beauty. Bang, man. Take a look at this premium. Gotta say it 3 times. Luxury bag that they sent your boy, man. This is, which one is this? The Lucky Luciano, I want to say. This is the Lucky Luciano bag, which can fit up to 6 pairs of shoes. I will show y'all more details of this in another video. I just want to run through it because we'll be here forever. But bang, they sent your boy that daily commuter as well, man. So take a look, man. I got that blue combo, man, and these are very, very dope. As you can see, that SP branding right there at the top, man. Man, scratch all that. Hold on. We're gonna set this one. There we go. The Luciano bag. And we're gonna take the plastic off, man, and show y'all the leather quality on here, man. This is a premium bag and a very, very dope blue color, man. Like, whoo, man. You know your boy Jay, bro. Look, I'm gonna have to have some shoes that match this bag, bro, just because I'm just me. You know what I'm saying? But this is dope, man. Shout out to my fam over at Soul Premise. As I said, man, make sure y'all head over there and grab y'all one of these bags because it is the best for everyday use, traveling, and just for real. Like I said, I'm not just saying that. It's for real. You will not know until you get one in hand because I was just nonchalant to the whole thing until I actually got one in hand and I just fell in love with them, man. So I actually use one of these bags every day, my forest green one, which I have seen before. That is my everyday use bag, man. Like, I use it for everything, man. So big shout out to Soul Premise. As you can see, this is a dope blue bag and they have several other colors over there, man. But yes, man, shout out to Soul Premise again. This is the first unboxing, man. I got the daily commuter as well as that Lucky Luciano back there, man. That big boy that can hold up to 6 pairs of shoes, laptop, clothes, the list goes on. But yeah, man, hey, let me set this back here. Whoo, dopeness, man. Dopeness, don't fall. Dopeness, man. But hey, let's keep the show rolling. Let's see what else your boy done got, man. Let's get it. Whoo, my guys, appreciate y'all, man. Hey, bang, man. This package comes from behalf of Barely Ordinary. Barely Ordinary Threads, man. They are a local brand in Georgia which have very, very dope clothing, man. A lot of the times y'all see me with clothing that is from them, but y'all do not know. For example, when I had on the Travis Scott, if y'all follow me on Instagram, if y'all don't, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. But if y'all follow me on Instagram, the tee I had on with my Travis Scott highs, the tee I had on with the Travis Scott highs when I went to RetroCon with the homie Retro Rick, that was their brand. As well as if y'all saw the SneakerCon vlog, the shirt I had on that said, "Give me my flowers while I am here," that was from them as well, man. So very, very dope brand. I will link them down below, man. And they do have a shop. You can head over there and grab anything such as this. But this right here is a friends and family, man. So I don't know if you will get this exact item, you know what I'm saying, from that site, but they do have another colorway of this that will go perfectly with this is made to go perfectly with, man. So yes sir, man. Let's see what they sent your boy, man. Woo, woo. Oh, they sent me okay, it's 2. Okay, I thought it was just 1. I thought it was just 1, but hey, okay, let's get into it, man. So as you can see right here, you don't even know what it is, but they did send your boy 2 t-shirts. We got a white one and we got a green one, right? So they did send their card in here. Let me take all this out. And man, they shipping was fast, man. I think they hit me up on like when? Actually, I reached out to them on Saturday, and today is Monday, and I got the package today. But yeah, man, hey, that's some good fast shipping right there. But here's their card right here. Barely Ordinary, as you can see, without that glare on there. But Barely Ordinary Threads is the brand. But let's see what we got, man. So taking out this first tee right here. Whoo! Taking out the first tee, what we got, man? We got a green, like a dark army green tee that says Barely Ordinary on it, man. And what do you know, bro? You do got that logo right there on the bottom, that Barely Ordinary face. And this is to be paired up with, yes, the shoes behind me. Bang! The strawberry milk Nike Dunks, man. Who is this? Paul Whitner or James Whitner? James Whitner, I think that's who it is. But the James Whitner Dunks, strawberry milks, and this is what goes with it, man. As you can see, paired up right there. Dopeness, man. Dopeness. So green bottom goes with the green tee. So it just hits all perfectly, man. So he sent me the green joint, you know what I'm saying? Which I will be hitting y'all with the review on feet to these. So stay tuned for that, man. It's coming. It's coming. So that goes with that, as well as he sent me another tee to go with it, man. So he sent your boy the white tee, man. So the white tee with the pink lettering on it. Very dope. But hey, man, that's just not even the half of it. So we gonna open it up and we gonna see what we got, man. So bang, man, take a look at that right there, man. On the front, what does that say? Milk does a body good, okay? So it says milk does a body good right there. Milk does a body good right there on that little collar pouch. So dopeness. And then when you turn the tee to the back, and like I said, man, this is a friends and family, man. The white tee. They have a pink tee, and I think they have a green tee of this same tee, but they do not have the white one. This is a friends and family, and look at that, bro. Whoo, free lunch, man. So you got the milk, the details, man. Take a look at that, bro. Dopeness, man. Goes perfectly with the strawberry milk dunks, man. So I will be throwing this on in the review on feet, man. So stay tuned for that, man. And big shout out to my fam over at Barely Ordinary Threads for blessing your boy with that, because those 2 tees are dope, man. Let me know what y'all think about those tees. I will link them down below. Give them a follow. Let them know that Jay sent you over there, man. But yeah, man, hey, strawberry milk dunks reviewing on feet coming soon. Stay tuned for that. But let's check out that last shoe, man. That has took your boy 3 years to acquire, man. Let's check it out. My guy. Hey, man. Shout out to my guy, Neighborhood Kicks, man. Dang, man. We got another pair of shoes right here that your boy can call one of his grails, man. You know, once you get a grail, you have other grails. So people be like, I thought that was your grail. I thought this was, man, I got like 30 grails, man. So I did get another one of my grails, and this is it right here, man. So yes, sir, man. This is actually the same person who I picked up my Travis Scott highs from. My Travis Scott fragment highs. Same person I got those from, man. So big shout out to Neighborhood Kicks, man, because hey, he been getting your boy right, man. So shout out to my guy Neighborhood. I will link him down below in the description. He does a lot of like raffles on his page on IG, as well as he has a lot of shoes and stuff for sale, man. But This is one your boy has been trying to get for 3+ years, and it has been eluding me. But hey, they are now here, and we about to check them out together, bro. Woo, woo. Opening up the box, man. Opening up the box, as you can see. Got that bubble wrap on it, man. My boy got that thing wrapped up A1. So yes sir, man, let's throw that out the way and let's check it out, man. Yes sir. Yes sir. Bang, man, we got an Air Jordan 1 box, man. And this is not your ordinary Jordan 1 box, although you might think so. Take a closer look, man. I don't know if the color's picking up accurately, but hold on. Let me get a box. I got one right here, man. So take a look. There's a difference. Your normal Jordan 1 box, this Jordan 1 box. So what your boy done cop, man? What your boy done cop, man? So hey, let me put this back down and give this the attention that it deserves, man, because this is a Grail. Like I said, man, color blocking on this one. Size tag reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG SF. Color blocking is Cell Fur Team Orange, man. So yes, man, yes. Got these joints, man. Ooh. I can't even see the shoe yet, man. I'm looking at paper, man. Hey, y'all ready? Look, I know y'all done fast forwarded or whatever already, but hey, man, I'm excited for this one, man. So lot number, all that stuff on the lid, man. And got him, baby. Got him. Ooh, bro. Your boy done picked up. Bang! The Air Jordan 1 Soul Flies. Yes, sir, man. Hey, if you know anything about your boy, man, look. Hometown is Miami, Florida, man. So this one was a must eventually. You know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't know when it was gonna happen, but it was going to happen, man. So yes, man. So check out my guy's card, man. Good neighbor. He has a dope business card, man. So shout out to my guy Neighborhood Kicks for this one, man. But I did get an 8.5, man. I did get an 8.5 because size 9s in this shoe is a diamond in the rough. I only think they made like 15 pairs worldwide. So if you got a size 9, you need to do some research on it. I saw some sales on StockX size 9 and I was like, made me, you know, drew a red flag.
If you have a size 9 and your blog told you this is real,
son, you must be out your damn mind.
Yeah, Fugak, alright? No size 9 in the retail version of the SoFly 1. None. 0. There is one. It was the sample. I could have the sample. Straight to Chino's foot. Quiet. No size 9. It was just a mistake. They did not send SoFly a size 9 in the retail. Dog.
You know what I'm saying? But size 9s are damn near impossible to find in this shoe. But I did get an 8.5. Half size down ain't gonna kill your boy. So yes, man. Got them Soul Fly joints in the collection. Woo! Let me know, man. What are your thoughts on the Air Jordan 1 Soul Flies, man? Had to have these, bro. Like I said, man. Hometown, Miami, Florida, so this was only right. And I did say that, hey, this is my next shoe, and my next shoe now is the Union 1 Black Toes. Coming soon. I will have a pair because that is on my radar, and then after that, I don't know what else. But take a look, man. You see the hometown on the back. MIA 305, man. So yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, my bad for dragging this video out, y'all, but we did have a couple unboxings, and yes, this right here is it for your boy, man. Got me a Grail in the collection, the Jordan 1. Hold on, let me turn these around, man. Soul Flies, man. So yes, sir. Let me know y'all thoughts and opinions on these. I will be rocking these, bruh. 1,000 likes, and no cap, I will be throwing these on feet, 4K visuals, all that stuff. 1K likes, we gonna do that for y'all. So make sure y'all run them likes up for the Air Jordan 1 Soul Flies, man. So yes, sir, your boy did pick up another Grail. Take a look at that back, man. You see that logo. You see that SF in the back, man. So yes, sir, man. So hey, appreciate y'all for watching. Sorry I had to make the video so long, but whew, your boy got them Soul Flies in the, whew, got them Soul Flies in the building, man. Shout out to my guy again, Neighborhood Kicks. And hey, make sure y'all give him a follow on his Instagram. Hey, the shoes are not cheap because they are 100% legit. So hey, you know, come with your bag ready. But yes, sir, man. That is it for this one. Your boy is checking out with the Air Jordan 1 Soul Flies. And yeah, they OG all. So for those of y'all who might ask, you know what I'm saying, whoa, lace bag fell off. But that's all good. But you see the orange laces that it comes with. Does come with a pair of the cell laces. They do have the gold tips on both of the laces. But yeah, sir, you see, look, hey, it just ripped off. But it's all good. It's all good. Everything OG. But yes, sir, man, that's it, man. That was my pickups. Appreciate y'all. Grab y'all a Soul Premise bag today, not tomorrow, today. Use promo code JayTheSneakerGuy, and thank y'all again for watching. 1K likes, we are throwing the Soul Flies on feet. No ifs, ands, or buts. I know I've been capping a lot about doing that, but 100%, 1K likes, they going on feet, man. So y'all stay blessed. I'm going with the Soul Flies. Till the next time, peace.